close-up of someone using an AI chatbot on their phone, and watching as the response appears, illustrating how confidently AI can present information that may still be inaccurate. If you've ever asked AI a question and gotten an answer that sounded perfect but turned out to be wrong, this is for you. In this video, I'll show you what an AI hallucination is and how to catch it before you use the answer. Most people do something simple: ask AI a question, read the response, and assume it's accurate because it sounds clear and confident. Then they copy it into an email, a plan, a school note, or a search result without checking where it came from. That becomes a problem when AI fills gaps with something that sounds believable but isn't actually true. It may guess a fact, mix up details, invent a source, or give an answer that fits the pattern of language without matching reality. So the frustrating part is this: wrong answers often don't look wrong. Before you use AI, gather 3 things: your actual question, any trusted source you already have, and your limit for what counts as good enough. For example, are you asking AI to explain, summarize, draft, or help you compare information? And which parts would need proof? Start by giving AI a specific task and, when possible, a source to work from. That shifts the job from make up an answer to work with this information, which is much safer for everyday use. Here's the better workflow. Input: give AI a clear question, useful context, and source material if you have it. Approved AI assistant: ask it to explain, summarize, organize, or draft a first version based on that input. Human review: check names, dates, numbers, quotes, links, and any claim that matters. If it cites something, confirm the source is real and says what the AI claims it says. Final output: only after that do you use the answer, send it, share it, or build on it. Never trust an AI answer just because it sounds polished. You need to verify factual claims, especially when the answer includes statistics, legal or medical information, named sources, or anything you plan to repeat to other people. The key idea is simple: AI is strongest as a starting point, not a final authority. If you treat it like a fast helper for first drafts and explanations, you'll get more value and fewer mistakes. Remember, start with a clear question and trusted source material. Let AI summarize, structure, or create the first version. Review before using it. If this helped, subscribe to AI Can Help. One term made simple? What should we decode next?